All right, welcome back to the channel. Been a while since I've done anything. Been kind of busy doing other shit. I don't edit. What you see is what you get. I put clips together, and that's just the way it is. So hopefully it don't upset you. If you don't like it, don't watch it. This is the way I am. So this is our sun porch that we turned into a, we call it our grocery store. So we've got all of our canned goods over here on this side over here. This is what we canned last year. This year we're going to be doing a lot more canning. But this is just what we canned last year and what we've still got left over. Then down this side over here we've got a bunch of cooking utensils. We got both of our pressure cookers. Those are really nice. They're the American brand pressure cookers. I'm gonna sneeze. Shit. Okay. So anyway, there's my dehydrator. We just got some of our cooking utensils over here on this area right here. And then down here we've got some of our groceries and stuff that we stock up on. Canned goods, stuff like potato chips, crackers, I don't know, worst my sister sauce, spices, noodles, stuff like that. So, but anyway, this right here is my makeshift greenhouse for this year. I bought Cindy a greenhouse, and it's going to go out on the back deck, and I'll take you outside here in just a few minutes to show you what our garden looks like as of right now, and then hopefully get a really good shot of it this year when it's actually growing. But this is kind of my makeshift greenhouse right now, so it's working. It's actually working out pretty decent for my cucumbers. I have plenty of cucumbers coming up. And then my peppers haven't came up yet, and the jalapenos and my bell peppers. We do have some of our onions coming up here. These are Walla Walla, I think, onions. They're just now starting to come up. That one right there is another Walla Walla, but whatever they are. But anyway, these right here are some of our other onions that are starting to come up. So everything's actually starting to come up pretty decent. I'm impressed. It's only been a week since we planted them. So, and we're doing these by seeds. Everything else is going to go outside in the garden. But I just want to bring you out here and kind of show you what we've got for a small food pantry. Next year, obviously, we're with green beans and pickling and everything I'm going to be doing. Excuse me, not bad manners, just good beer. With everything I'm going to be doing, or we're going to be doing, we're going to actually put some stands downstairs in the basement, and we're going to be moving a lot of our canned goods downstairs in the basement, and then doing a rotation off of it that way. Just to let you know, we do the white potatoes, and these right here we actually buy off the Amish at an Amish store up here, and my God Almighty, we can these, and then we take them out, and my wife puts a batter on them. And oh Jesus, you want to talk about freaking good? Oh, it'll make a good man cry. But yeah, so this is what we've got. We got one of our two of our freezers out here. Sorry, we got a chest freezer here, upright freezer there, and then out in the garage, I've got a upright refrigerator, two chest freezers, and then we have our refrigerator that's in the kitchen. So, and they're all full. Don't trust my government. They're all full of meat. So if anything happens, we have something to eat. All right, but I will film the outside and show you what that's like, and show you what we're hoping is going to look really nice this year. God willing, and Mother Nature agrees with the weather. All right, I'll take you outside here in a little bit.